How to reset and recover your Microsoft account password. In this video, I will show you how can you easily recover and reset the password for your Microsoft account. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, you can either go to setting and click on the profile icon and log into your account, or you can simply type this account.live.com/reset password. After this, you will be directed to a page with recover your account. Here you need to provide an alternate email or phone number. After that, you need to click on next. Then after, Microsoft will send verification code to your alternate email. Provide that verification code. You can see I have received the verification code. After providing, again click on next and then create your new password. Then after, you are good to go. You can easily log in into your Microsoft account creating your new password. And that's all. That is how easily you can reset and recover the password for your Microsoft account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.